Meanwhile, back here in Indonesia, the Minister of Labor, Fauziyah, has asked companies to pay workers a holiday allowance for Idul Fitr celebrations at a maximum of 7 days before the start of the holiday period or the start of Eid. This is a mandatory requirement for all companies in Indonesia. After a limited meeting at the presidential palace in Jakarta, the Indonesian Minister of Labor, Fauziyah, said the circular letter regarding the Eid al-Fitr holiday allowance is planned to be issued on Tuesday. The Minister of Labor ensures companies that are late or do not provide the allowance to workers will be subject to sanctions. Companies are also required to pay this in full and may not pay them in installments, especially since the Indonesian economy has improved. In addition, the ministry will open a holiday allowance complaint post and deploy labor inspectors to ensure these bonus payments are being distributed to workers according to the provisions and regulations. According to United States media and experts, the banking crisis in the U.S. could severely tighten credit for households and enterprises, having a negative impact on economic growth. The U.S. banking turmoil started early this month from the nearly simultaneous collapse of the tech-focused Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, and two crypto-centric lenders, Signature Bank and Silvergate Bank, with the fallout spreading to Europe. The banking crisis has raised the prospect among economists that lending standards will become drastically more restrictive in coming months. According to Fox, regulators in the United States and Europe are closely monitoring the signs of credit crunch because credit crunch is often accompanied by economic recession. In an interview with CBS on Monday, Neil Kashkari, president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis, said that the recent banking turmoil could bring the U.S. closer to a recession.